Yo, welcome back, guys. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. Um, and today we took a pretty small loss. It is what it is, part of the game. I don't know. Today was weird though because, um, we're so close to all-time highs, right? Both ES and NQ had swept all-time highs overnight. And I thought, okay, we'll just manipulate a little bit lower, maybe generate some liquidity, and then we'll see a good long. But what I saw today was, so we swept all-time highs here, right? Then at open, we came down, tapped into this 15-minute right here, right? And respected the hell out of it. We even closed the 15-minute bullish. And then there was I can't remember what time frame I took it on. Oh, it was a 3-minute. Yeah, and then we generated some liquidity up here. We did create a protected high with the SMT, which I didn't like, but since we were close to all-time highs, I was like, well, all-time highs is my overall draw right now, so I have conviction that, I want to see all-time highs get hit. So we had, like a good break-even point, basically. We had another sweep of sell side, and then we had a lot of momentum up. And I took this 3-minute inverse right here, little mech model, highest time frame inversion, and I really liked this. I was honestly really confident in this, and I liked it even more because that was like a perfect amount for the 10 a.m. candle to wick down. We wicked down 28 points there. I don't know, it just looked really obvious to me. If I draw out this 15-minute, it becomes even more obvious. So here's the 15-minute. So we manipulated down, swept sell side inside of a 15-minute, and had tons of momentum upwards. And still, this trade did not work out. I'm honestly happy with this. Honestly, I'm not happy with this loss, but I am happy that I took a loss on an A+ setup rather than just taking a dog shit setup. It is what it is. I guess discretionarily, if ES, like what I'm taking home from today is, I guess if ES doesn't, like if ES or one of the pairs, I guess, and you can tell that it's kind of leading, like obviously it was holding NQ back here and just creating lower highs over and over and over and over. Maybe that's a sign that longs won't work. It's always weird though, because I've always thought that like in my mind I was like, okay, well, NQ is the closer of the pairs to all-time highs, which is my target. So if I were to take a trade, I would want it to be on NQ anyway, because that would mean that NQ is going to hit my target first before ES. So I wouldn't have to like worry about there being an SMT or having to close my position early. I could just let NQ hit my target, and then ES can just fuck off. But I guess that wasn't the case today. So, but it is what it is. I saw things, like I saw this short right here. I saw this short and I wanted to take it, but I didn't. This one ended up playing out, pretty much perfectly. And then there was also this 3-minute short right here that I really liked, but I didn't take because my conviction was still higher. I still wanted higher. So, I don't know. I really don't know. I guess today was just one of those days where maybe just hopping on and seeing this shit on the 5 minute in general, like maybe I just need to wait completely and entirely until we break out of that range. I don't even know. But even then, I probably would have because we broke out of the range right here, somewhat. We created a new lower low. From there, yeah, I mean, still, this is technically still out, a good trade coming from out of the range. But whatever. Yeah, not really sure what I did wrong today. I guess I just read NQ as being stronger, but ES was stronger. I guess that was my fault today. But anyway, tomorrow we finally have some news. It's in the PM session, unfortunately, so I'll be on for the morning session, but there's a chance I might not even try to take a trade until the PM session. So if that's the case, maybe I will, maybe I'll hop on for that. But other than that, if you guys aren't already, or if you didn't see my last video, I have created a Discord and a new Instagram. I just post stuff I like on my Instagram. It is relevant to trading, but it's also relevant to the journey, thoughts that you might have during the journey, doing this type of thing. It's just pretty laid back. I just post stuff I like on there for fun, kind of, but it's also a good place to maybe start scaling myself a little bit. And then also, I did create a Discord. It's nothing special. It's completely free. But in case you wanted to be a part of, building this little community, I think there's a lot of potential that we have, and I think we could maybe connect and get something going on there. So that's that, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.